cash buyers, investors end unit townhome with market rent $2,300 or more. Inside, discover an updated kitchen and a bright, inviting living room featuring a charming bay window and a unique cedar coat closet and a full basement for storage, crafting or workshop. The thoughtfully designed layout includes in-unit laundry with storage and a well-appointed kitchen that flows easily into the main living space, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Upstairs, the spacious primary bedroom boasts 2 closets, while the second bedroom features a walk-in closet and pull-down attic for added storage. The full shared bath includes a relaxing soaking tub, complemented by a convenient first-floor half bath with pedestal sink for guests. Additional highlights include central vacuum, pet-friendly living, and a prime commuter location just 5 minutes to routes 495 and 93. A wonderful opportunity to enjoy low-maintenance living in a fantastic location with plenty of parking.